Hi, this is Hardik from ME Pro Technologies. A very warm welcome to all the viewers. Today I am going to share the information about pack number in OpenERP. We have earlier already seen about the production lot in OpenERP. Today we will be looking into the pack number. Okay, before moving to the pack number, let's get the idea about what do we mean by a pack number. So for understanding the pack number, we need to understand one of the important or a vital component of the logistic flow, that is transportation. Now transportation plays a very vital role in the logistic flow, as it is very much necessary that the product reaches in the correct time to the customer, in a proper quantity and in a proper manner. So for the transportation from the source location to the destination, huge containers or pallets or the small boxes are being used. So it is very much necessary to keep the track of these containers, that is boxes, pallets or huge shipping containers. So a pack number can be defined as a name or a number given to a container which may contain one or multiple type of products for tracking the product. Example, a pallet number is be generated or given to a pallet so we can on which certain products are being stocked, and pack numbers are generally applied under the production lot. Let's look this thing briefly. So these are the pallets or the boxes or the containers which have been used for tracking the product. That means these are the containers using which transportation is being done for the products, and a number is been applied to these kind of containers. Here you can see that the pallets, there is a huge ship container, and these are the pallets. Now as I said that pack number is a name or a number given to the container which may contain one or multiple products. So here you can see that this is a container or this is a pack. Here you can find the products inside it. Here you can see that multiple products are being kept under a single pack, and the number is be given pack 3. Also here you can see number given is pack 4. So this is an individual pack or a pallet or a box. Also this is, here you can see that only a single product has been packed inside a container, and individual pack number has been given. Generally individual items under a single pack are used for giving serial numbers to a product. Okay, now let's get to the OpenERP system and look into it how OpenERP deals with the pack number. Let's log into the system. Let's have a quick look at the pack number entry screen. Warehouse, traceability, packs. Here is the quick listing of all the pack numbers available in the system. Let's go to the entry screen, that is create. Now let's understand the fields. Here you can see a pack reference. That means this is the pack number generated automatically by the system based on shipping serial container code. So for this automatic generation of the code, we need to first understand the configuration of the sequence number. For that, let's go to the configuration portion. Warehouse, the settings, configuration, sequence identifiers, sequences. Now our target is we need to find the packs. I've got my search over here, I'll use it. So here is the packs. Okay, here you can see there are certain fields available over here. The very first one here is prefix. Prefix is something like a string that will be at the beginning of the pack number, a suffix that will be at the end of the pack number. Now for entering the prefix and the suffix, some legends have been given over here. That means you can enter if you want to enter the current year of the century, just need to copy this and let's edit this. Copy this and put it into the prefix field. So whenever a automatical generation of the pack number will be there, you will find the current year at the beginning of the string. Same way you can put other legends at the suffix or prefix as per your conveniency. You can even give it manually as per your conveniency. I will get EPT over here. I don't want to give any suffix. Okay. Now next one is the number padding. That means, as I said, this is automatic generated string or a number by the system. Padding suggests that that string will be of length 7. It means a number that will be generated will be of length of 7. Okay. Next field is that is the increment number. Now as I said, automatic generation, that means it's a sequence, that is one by one numbers will be get incremented. Now what jump they will take for the next number generation will be supplied over here. Here we have given the number increment number as 1. So every time a number generated will be 1 more than the earlier. So if suppose we will take an example, if the number is 100 this time, next time the number will be 101. Okay. Next field is the next number. That means this is the number which will be generated next in the sequence, or next pack number will be this. Okay. Suppose we want to start this number from 3001. So my next number will start from 3001 and incrementing will be by 1. So as the sequence will proceed, that will be 3001, 3002 and so on. Okay. Now this is last field, that is implementation. This is very much important field in the configuring the pack number sequence. Here you can see two options available under its roof, that is standard and no gap. Now let us understand what do we mean by standard implementation and what do you mean by no gap implementation. So standard implementation means that the sequence will be generated automatically as per the configuration, that is the prefix, number of padding, etc. automatically as per the configuration. But whenever you will look into the next number field in the sequence configuration screen, that means whenever you will be coming back to the screen, it will be the same number in the next number field. Suppose my sequence goes 3001, 3002, 3003, 3004 as on. But whenever I will be back to this screen, I will find 3001 in the next number field. So that is the standard implementation of the sequence for the pack number. Now let's understand what do you mean by no gap sequence. While when we are implementing no gap implementation of the pack number, it will always show me the exact number which will be generated next in the sequence. That means suppose my sequence is 3001, I will move on to 3002, I will move on to 3003. So whenever I will come back to this screen, the sequence screen for the pack number, I will find 3003, the next number that is going to be generated in the sequence. So the difference is, in the standard you will not find the next number for the sequence, while in no gap you will find the next number in the sequence. No doubt that both the time sequence will be moving on exactly the same, that is as per the increment number and the next number, but whenever you will be visiting this screen, you will find the difference in the next number field. So this was the configuration for the generating automatic sequence number or the automatic pack number during the purchase or the sales. Now again, let's have a glimpse of the pack entry screen, pack number entry screen. Warehouse, traceability, packs. Okay, let's get again back to the entry screen. Okay, here again you have seen that this number has been generated by the screen, in the screen by as per the configuration. Okay, now suppose this is, you can enter your pack reference number as per your conveniency. So let me enter as per my configuration, my requirement. I'll enter 2001. I don't want this. Okay. So this was the field that is automatically generated, but I've entered as per my configuration. Next is the additional reference number. That means any extra number that you want to give for your reference, you can enter it over here, but we are keeping it as blank. This is the creation date of the pack number. This is the check mark here, the last one suggests me that if you want to hide the pack number, you just need to uncheck this check mark. That means it's not deleted, but that will be hidden. Now before we move ahead and create this pack number, let's see that how these pack numbers are being created. They are created on the base of SSCC. Let's see, what do you mean by SSCC? So pack numbers are generated based on the SSCC, that is serial shipping container code. You have already seen in the configuration screen that we were having prefix, we were having suffix. So here you can see that whenever an automatic sequence number will be generated, that will be having a prefix, then a sequence number, then a suffix, and last the SSCC checksum digit. That means that will be used for the redundancy check and error detection. So a sequence number will be generated and the combination of these things. Okay, now we will generate a pack number. So my pack number over here is 2001. I will save it. Okay, now to see the impact of this pack number, let's create a purchase order. Okay, this is a purchase order quotation. I'll fill up the basic details over here. Fill up the purchase order lines. I'll give up the product, say 3 quantities. I'll save this order line. I'll give another product, say 5 quantity. So my quotation is ready. I'll convert it into the purchase order. Okay, my quotation has been converted to the purchase order. Now my reception is ready. I'll go to reception for the processing. Okay, now we are already knowing that how to give the production lot number. Okay, we'll also give, here you can also see that a pack number is available. So now let's give the pack number that we have created, that was 2001. Okay, I'll edit the stock move. Here you can see that I'm giving production lot number has been given. This is the pack number I am giving. Okay, I'll save this. Okay, here you can see that the production lot has been given and a pack number has been given. Okay, I'll give this production lot with the second product, that is mobile. Okay, if you remember that I had said that pack number is a name or a number given to a container containing one or multiple products. So here again I am giving 2001. That means you can see here that both the products comes under single pack number 2001. Of course I can give an individual pack number, but at this point of time I have given both the pack number as 2001. Now let's process this. I have given the production lot number, pack number, I am processing it. Okay, validate it. Okay, we have successfully processed this, given the production lot number and the pack number 2001. Let's check out whether we have created got the production lot number over here or not. Let's search it over here. Okay, there is the pack number over here. Now let's again create a purchase order and see how we can see the automatic generation of the product number other than what we have created the pack number. Let's create a purchase order. Let's give 5 quantity, save and close. Let's again give it fax machine, save and close. Okay, my quotation is ready. I'm converting it into the purchase order. Okay, my purchase order has been created. My reception is ready for the processing. Okay, earlier we have seen that we have modified this stock move and entered a pack number and a production lot number. Now let's first enter the production lot number from here. Okay, you have seen that I have not given the pack number from that stock move editing, but now here you can see the two icons available in my column pack number. Now you can read it that this icon gives the title put in current pack. That means you have seen in the configuration the next number field. Let's see it again. Warehouse, traceability, settings, configurations, sequences, packs. Okay, here you can see that the next number is 401. Okay, let's see here what happens when I click on put in current pack. Let me edit this first. I don't want the suffix over here. I will give the EPT as my prefix. I am saving the sequence. Okay. So you can see that I've got a pack number here as EPT, 7-digit number, (401). Okay, as you have seen the configuration over here that the next number was 401. Okay, I'll click on put in current pack number here also. Okay, that means the last pack number was 401. So when we say that put in current pack, that means the last pack number that was generated by the system, you will get that pack number every time whenever you are clicking on put in current pack. Okay, we'll process it. So this was the another method for entering a pack number. I'll validate it. Okay, we need to give the production lot number here. So we have successfully again received some products and seen the another way of entering the pack number. Okay, we'll now see how to split the pack numbers. Let's again create a purchase order. Fill out the basic information for this quotation. Create a purchase order line. Give 5 quantities. Okay, I'll convert this quotation to fax my purchase order. I'll process the reception. Okay, let's first give the production lot number in both the products. So we have given production lot number in both the products. Now if you remember, the last sequence number that was generated was 401. Now whenever I'll be clicking into the current pack, that means a next number will be generated, and that will be 402 as per the increment number. So you can see that EPD 402 has been generated. Okay, now so both the products are having same pack number. Now I will split this pack number. Here you can see the second icon that is put in a new pack. Okay, that means we'll be splitting the products into different pack numbers. Okay, now this pop-up says me how many products do you want to keep in the current pack, that is 402. Suppose I say I want to keep 2 products in this pack, that is the current pack. I'll say okay. So here you can see that the 2 quantities remain in the pack number 402, and the remaining 3 out of 5 goes to the next pack number, that is 403. Again I can split this into another pack. Suppose I want to keep only 1 quantity into this pack number, I'll give 1. Okay. So you can see that out of the 3, 1 remains in the 403 and then other 2 remains in 404. Okay. So now we'll process it, validate it. Okay. So we have seen 3 methods for giving a pack number. We have seen that we have generated a pack number from the warehouse packs, and we have created a pack number from here. We have seen another method that was from the stock moves. We have seen the putting into the current pack, and then we have seen that we have splitted into the new pack. So that was the 3 methods for giving a pack number. Now as I said that pack numbers are used for tracking the products. Now let's see the traceability using the pack number. Go to traceability, packs, we have seen that we have received some products for the pack number EPT 00401. Here you can see the stock moves. That means we have received 2 products, 5 quantities of product mobile, 1 quantity of product fax machine from the suppliers to the stock. Let's see the downstream traceability for this product. Yes, you can see that product is fax machine, 1 quantity, the lot number is FM lot 101, pack number is 401, that reference is generated from in 443, source location is from the supplier, destination location is the stock, and the state is done. Same way for the product mobile, we have received 5 quantities with the production lot L2 mobile 2, pack number 401, source location was supplier, destination location is the stock, and the state is done. So that was traceability of a product using a lot number, production lot and pack number. Now let's create a sales order and see the effect of pack number. I'll create a sales order. This is a sales quotation. I'll fill up the basic details. Sale order line. Two quantities. Three quantities of fax machine. I'll convert this quotation into the sales order, confirm order. My quotation is being converted to the order. My delivery order is ready for the schedule. Okay, here you can see a stock move for the product mobile with 2 quantities and a product fax machine with the 3 quantities. A production lot number. Let's give the production lot number. Let's give the pack number. Here you can see the pack number that we have already been created. Okay, here you can see the current pack for the sales due generated was 401, and again I can see that for the fax machine also that is 401. Okay, I'll process this, process it, validate it. So we have successfully sold 2 quantities of mobile and 3 quantities of fax machine. Let's see the traceability. Warehouse, packs, here you can see the stock moves for the product fax machine and mobile. Let's see the downstream traceability. Okay, as this is downstream traceability, we find that first of all the information is from the customers to the suppliers. That is, we can find 2 quantities of mobile has been sold from the pack number 401 from the stock location to the customer location. Same way, 3 quantities of fax machine under the pack number 401 from the stock location to the customer location, and earlier that were purchased from the suppliers and gone to the stock. So this was the downstream traceability using a pack number. So that was about the pack number in OpenERP. Let's summarize what we have seen till now. We have seen the production lot in our earlier video. Now we have seen the pack number. A pack number can be defined as a name or a number given to a container for which will be containing a set of products, that is one product or multiple products, which using that pack number we can track the product. So thank you very much for listening and viewing. Thank you very much.